This shit's absolutely wild. Big time play right there, baby. It's Thursday today. Ooh, not Friday. What's up with that? We're gonna learn 2 new songs today. Should be very exciting. Finished setting everything up. Just waiting for Trav to get here. Going all out. Feeling extra lucky today. Trav's here. Woo! What up? Looking good. You know where we're going.
Corporate coffee.
Relacing.
That's how you do it.
Woo! Ernie Ball, bro. Give us a sponsor. Fender. Give me a new fucking bridge. What is this? Okay.
All right.
Jamming so hard, crystals spilling on the floor. Hard day's work, Trav. Hard day's work. Holy. So sweaty. So tired. Packing up drums is a fucking mission. Trav's our drummer, also photographer. Kind of scared to get down from here. I can't believe it. It's out. Okay, it's out on Apple Music. It should be out on Spotify by the time you're watching this video tomorrow. Hopefully, or if not, I'll probably just scream and cry.